Hey, that shoot went awesome, don't you think? I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed working on it. Here's the final image. Oh man, I love how this image turned out. I was really inspired by the beautiful bright colors of the cider bottle, and I wanted to create a conceptual product photo based around that. And I think it really delivered with a punchy blue background, the kind of leafy texture mirroring the icons on the label. So overall, I'm super happy with how this picture turned out, but I'd love to know what you think. If you have any questions about the entire process I used to put this together, please drop them down in the comments below. I'm always happy to jump in and answer them. And this is something I want to do more of this year, create these sort of really Photoshop heavy conceptual product images. If this is something you're into, make sure you hit subscribe. We post weekly videos about creativity. We took a little break over the holidays, but we're back next week with a new one. So I'd love for you to join me. What are you working on also? Are you kind of focusing on a certain type of image or a certain type of video you're looking to expand in your portfolio? I'd love to know the kind of stuff you're working on. And also, I'd love your feedback on this video format that we used in this video. This sort of silent, kind of chill out vibe, I thought when I started editing it, I got really into the music and I thought it would be nice to just like let it run and let you sit back and enjoy it. And then if you have any questions, we can answer them directly in the comments. So I'd love to know your opinion on that. And other than that, I'll see you next week. All right, take care.